In this recording, I will demonstrate how a visually impaired person can use the JAWS screen reader to create a scatter plot in Excel, add a linear regression line, and display both the equation of the line and the R-squared value. This is useful for understanding relationships between variables. I have already entered my data into two columns. The first column, column A, contains the independent variable x, and the second column, column B, contains the dependent variable y. These two sets of numbers will be used for the scatter plot. Let me now select the data. Move to the cell A1 and press Ctrl A.
Home, blank, A8. First cell, X, A1. Select A1, X, B6, 21. Quick
Cell
analysis
A1 to
available.
B6 is now selected. Now, I will insert a scatter plot to show the relationship between the variables. Press Alt-N
All upper ribbon, expanded.
to
Ribbon,
open the
insert
Insert tab.
3 of 10. Alt followed by N.
Press
D,
D
insert scatter left parent
to
X, Y
insert the
right
scatter
parent or bubble
chart.
chart. Scatter. Use this chart type to colon bullet. Compare at
Press
least two
Enter.
sets of enter. Linear regression dash Excel. Ribbon. Add element available. Styles available. Data
I will
layout
first
available.
add a
Y
chart
scatter
title.
compares pairs of values.
Suppose scatter plot of y against x. The focus is on the chart once the scatter plot is created. Enter once
Add
to
element
focus on the
available.
title of
Styles
the
available.
chart,
Y scatter compares pairs
and
of
enter
values.
once more to edit the title. Once done, please type scatter plot of y against x.
SCA scat E scat E scat E scat R scat space E scat L scat O scat E scat space O scat F space Y scat space A scat G scat A scat I scat N S scat E scatter space scatter X scatter plot of Y against X scatter compares pairs of values.
Once title has been edited, press escape, but not tab or enter to complete the editing.
Escape selected. Scatter plot of Y against X graphic. Add element available. Styles available. Data layout available.
I will now add a linear regression line, also called a trend line. Press tab on the
Add
plot
element
area
available.
group
Styles available. Scatter plot
and
of Y
press
against X.
enter
Enter.
to select the
Add
chart
element
area.
available. Styles available. Scatter plot of Y against X. Scatter compares
Press
pairs of
Alt
values. Upper ribbon. Chart tools. Chart design tab.
plus
11J.
J, C, and A
Group axis
to
submenu.
open
1 of
chart
8. Change the
elements.
formatting and layout of each axis.
Press
Alt follow
T
E. Trend
for
line.
trend
None
line
button. 1 of 5.
and
Alt plus
M
upper ribbon.
for more
chart
options.
tools. Chart design. Leaving menus. Chart elements sub-menu.
Choose linear trend line inside the menu.
Leaving menus. Trend line up. Trend line
I will
options
choose
button.
to
Select trend
display
line
the
options
regression
button checked.
equation and the R-squared value
Trend
on the
type.
chart.
Linear radio button checked. 2 of 6.
While
Trend line name.
options are
Automatic radio
open,
button checked. 1
check
of 2.
the
A. Fork.
checkboxes
Backward. Set it. Display equation on chart checkbox not checked. E.
display equation on chart
Space checked. Display R
and
dash
display
square
R-squared value on
checkbox
chart.
space checked. Y against X. Scatter compares pairs of values.
I will now copy the equation and R-squared value and paste it onto the worksheet. Press enter
Enter.
to
Linear
focus on
regression
the
dash
equation
Excel. Linear regression dot
and
XLSX.
R-squared
Sheet
value
1. End of sheet B9.
and
13
press
cells. 1 objects. Add element of
enter once more to select it. Press Ctrl C
Copy selection to
to
clipboard.
copy both and paste it on the blank cell A8 below the table. This is done by Ctrl G
Go to dialog. Reference colon. Edit combo. A8. Computer braille.
to open the Go To dialog and enter A8.
A8 space.
Press enter for OK and close the dialog box.
Blank A8.
Press Ctrl V
Pasted from clipboard. Paste.
to
Select
paste.
R superscript 2 equals
The equation and the
0.984.
R-squared
A9.
value are shown in A8 and A9 respectively. The regression equation can be used to predict values of the dependent variable based on the independent variable. The R-squared value ranges from 0 to 1. Values closer to 1 mean there is strong linear correlation between the variables. Thank you.